Namaskar and good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Bharat Exhibitions once again welcomes its esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, special invitees, and all the delegates to the conference looking into the futuristic technology for the ICT world, Data Center India 2012. As you know, ladies and gentlemen, Bharat Exhibitions has been organizing business conferences every month in the information and communication sector with topics and themes which are relevant to the times, bringing in the best practices available in the trade and providing a platform for networking and discussions. Data centers, which initially made their major appearance in India in the mid-1990s, have matured into essential business drivers. As is visible today in many Indian organizations, data centers have evolved from being looked at as mere technological fancies to actual business requirements, with factors like swift connectivity from multiple service providers, easily available technical expertise, and decreasing implementation costs. India is all set to become as an important data center hub of the world. With these words, ladies and gentlemen, I once again welcome you to the second edition of Data Center India 2012. My name is Varupi Gupta, and I'm delighted to be your anchor for today. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a surprise for you at the end of every session today. There will be a quiz, the prize of which will be a 3G tablet sponsored by Terracom. So let's get started with the inaugural session, the theme of which is Data Center Infrastructure and Services, Assessing Business Growth, IT Usage, and Operation Needs. And we greatly look forward to hearing the viewpoints of our eminent speakers who have joined us for the inaugural session. And I take this opportunity of introducing our speakers for the inaugural session, Shri D.V.L.N. Rao ji. Sir, would you please wave to the audience? We are honored to have you, sir. He is Scientist E. Kindly be seated, sir. Thanks. He is Scientist E, E-Governance, Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Ministry of Communications and IT, Government of India. And we have with us Mr. Vijay Sethi, Vice President and CIO, Hero MotoCorp, Shri Golok Kumar Simli, Principal Consultant, Passport Seva Project, PMU, Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, Mr. Guna Balashekar, Board Member of Storage Networking Industry Association India and Head of India Sales and Business Development, LSI India, Mr. Arunabh Basu, Vice President and Head Technology, Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited, and Mr. Rajneesh Sharma, Deputy Director Sales, Government and PSU, ZTE India. A very warm welcome once again to all of you, and thanks to all of you for joining in to share your knowledge and expertise on data center services.